Let it be. Hayaan mo na. Don't be sad. Huwag kang malungkot. I will be there. Pupunta ako dyan. You will be okay. Magiging maayos ka rin. Don't be angry. Huwag kang magalit. He must be tired. Pagod siguro siya. Please be seated. Maupo ka. She must be sick. Baka may sakit siya. I'll be back soon. Babalik ako kaagad. That would be fine. Ayos lang yon. He can be relied on. Maaasahan naman siya. I'll be back later. Babalik ako mamaya. You must be kidding. Nagbibiro ka ata. He will be here soon. Malapit na siya rito. I will be watching you. Babantayan kita. Can you be my friend? Pwede ba kitang maging kaibigan? Be kind to all people. Maging mabuti ka sa lahat ng tao. Be quiet for a moment. Tumahimik ka sandali. Do not be disappointed. Huwag kang mabibigo. He might not be happy. Baka hindi siya masaya. I must be leaving now. Dapat aalis na ako ngayon. This should be plenty. Dapat marami ito. When will you be back? Kailan ka babalik? You'll never be alone. Hindi ka mag-iisa. Come on, we'll be late. Bilis na, mahuhuli na tayo. I want to be like you. Gusto kong maging kagaya mo. I'll be busy next week. Magiging abala ako sa susunod na linggo. They will be very glad. Matutuwa sila ng husto. What do you want to be? Ano ang gusto mong maging? I will be absent tomorrow. Wala ako bukas. He must be home by now. Nasa bahay na dapat siya ngayon. I am glad to be with you. Natutuwa akong makasama ka. Let us be friends. Maging magkaibigan tayo. Will it be fine tomorrow? Ayos lang ba bukas? Happiness can't be bought. Hindi nabibili ang kaligayahan. We should be very careful. Dapat maging maingat tayo. Don't be late again. Huwag ka na ulit magpapahuli. You must be very hungry. Gutom na gutom ka na siguro. Be quiet while I am speaking. Tumahimik ka habang nagsasalita ako. There is going to be a storm. Magkakaroon ng bagyo. You'll be crying before long. Iiyak ka na agad. Can you be my guest? Pwede ba kitang maging bisita? Be careful not to catch a cold. Mag-ingat para hindi magkasipon. I wish I could be there. Sana nandoon ako. I said it might be true. Sabi ko, baka totoo. I used to be very shy. Sobrang mahiyain ako dati. I want to be your friend. Gusto kong maging kaibigan mo. He'll be back the next day. Babalik siya sa makalawa. Can't we be friends? Di ba tayo pwedeng maging magkaibigan? I have to be back now. Kailangan ko nang makauwi ngayon. I'll be staying here for a week. Mananatili ako dito ng 1 linggo. It should be placed here. Dapat ilagay ito dito. Don't be afraid. Huwag kang matakot. I will be here for you. Andito ako para sa'yo. Everything will be okay. Magiging maayos din ang lahat. Will he be able to attend? Makakadalo kaya siya? I'll be happy to see you. Matutuwa akong makita ka. He may not be aware of the danger. Maaring hindi niya alam ang panganib. I'm proud to be your wife. Ipinagmamalaki kong maging asawa mo. He won't be able to do it. Hindi mo magagawa iyan. I will be waiting for you. Maghihintay ako sa'yo. He won't be sad again. Hindi ka na malulungkot pa. I should be more careful. Dapat maging maingat ako. I want to be a teacher. Gusto kong maging isang guro. He was nowhere to be seen. Hindi siya makita. That will be a big help. Iyon ay isang malaking tulong. I want to be part of your life. Gusto kong maging parte ng buhay mo. Please don't be long. Pakiusap, huwag kang magtatagal. He must be exhausted. Pagod na pagod siya. You shouldn't be here. Hindi ka dapat nandito. I didn't know it could be like this. Hindi ko alam na magiging ganito.